Troubleshooting an LG air conditioner with no power. Your LG air conditioner will cycle on and off when it reaches your desired temperature. If the unit will not turn on, or if it powers off unexpectedly, there are some troubleshooting steps you can take to diagnose and resolve the issue. First, unplug and inspect the power cord for damage or fraying. If the cord is damaged, it will need to be taken to a repair center or call a technician to replace it. Make sure the outlet is a properly rated, protected, and grounded wall outlet. Plug another electrical device you know to be working into the wall outlet to verify that the outlet has power. If the outlet is not receiving power, check the circuit breaker or fuse dedicated to the air conditioner to see if it has been tripped or blown. Reset or replace if necessary. If the circuit breaker or fuse is fine, contact an electrician for further assistance. After verifying that the outlet works, press the reset button on the power plug, and then press the power button on the air conditioner control panel. If the unit fails to power on, unplug it and call for repair service. If your unit has a ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI power plug, press the test button on the plug, then press the reset button and follow by pressing the power button on the air conditioner control panel. If the unit fails to power on, unplug it and call for repair service. If the unit does power on, the safety relay may have tripped, causing the power off condition. Here are some tips to ensure the safe and efficient operation of your LG air conditioner. Do not alter or modify the plug or cord. Do not use an extension cord with the unit. Do not use an adapter with the unit. Replace the batteries in the remote control if necessary. If using the LG SmartThin Q app, make sure your smartphone has an adequate signal and that your unit is properly connected to your network. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.